Are you trying to decide between Manus AI and Perplexity? Let's break it down. In this video, we'll compare these two AI tools to help you choose the right one. Both Manus AI and Perplexity aim to make your work easier, but they do it in different ways. Manus AI focuses on writing assistance. It helps you generate text, edit your work, and improve your writing skills. It's great for content creators and anyone who needs to write regularly. On the other hand, Perplexity is more about answering questions and providing information. It acts like a smart assistant, giving you quick answers and insights on various topics. It's perfect for research and learning. Now, let's look at the key differences. Manus AI is all about crafting text, while Perplexity is designed for information retrieval. If you need help writing, Manus AI is your go to. If you want answers fast, Perplexity is better. When it comes to features, Manus AI offers tools for grammar checks, style suggestions, and content generation. Perplexity, however, excels in providing summaries, explanations, and direct answers to queries. In terms of pricing, both tools have different plans. Manus AI usually has subscription options based on usage, while Perplexity may offer a free tier with limited features. So, which one should you choose? If you're a writer or a student looking to improve your writing, Manus AI is the way to go. But if you need quick answers and information, Perplexity will serve you better. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.